You can hold it up here for just a minute. Right there. That gets a WD in the if we need it.
Hook up? Yeah, go ahead.
Why don't you just sit on the rocket and take pictures with yourself?
Camera on it. Yeah, mostly everybody has.
How many quarter-inch rods you got?
I got more, but everybody's using the 8th, so.
Okay.
That's not a big deal. We can wait a little bit.
I appreciate it. Yeah, we're getting them up off the pad pretty quick today. Yeah, make sure you got that tied down so it doesn't take the clips with it.
That's good.
Been there, done that.
Bought the t-shirt.
It kind of has a tendency to steer the rocket.
Yeah, just kind of.
Hope it goes. Oh, she's got it together this year. Yeah, so far.
Alright, we're on there.
If this doesn't fire,
Then we'll
No, but I mean, I'm getting continuity, so
this, I mean,
I tested it.
I go a little bit.
Pokey dots.
Yeah, you're way too far going to the east.
I don't know. We'll try it. I haven't done any high, 3, 2, 1, 0. Alright, forget it. 6, 3, 2, 1, 0.
Oh yeah, right there. Yeah, I just looked at the camera and said hi, because it's my dad's camera. Oh, that was nice. Sure.